Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can indent bullets in your conversations, chats, and messages on Slack. So let us dive right into it. Head over to your Slack workspace and access your message or conversation. For example, here on the left panel, let me go into that conversation here with that user. You may use that, of course, also for any other text boxes, either within your channels, for example, or with the conversation with the Slack bot. So let me go into that conversation here and type in your message here in your text box. So let me go in that text message here. So to convert this into a bulleted list, guys, simply left click or hover your cursor here at the beginning of that text box and that align, left click into it and select bulleted list, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+8. That is going to convert your text into a bulleted list. Now, if you'd like to skip to the next line and indent your bulleted list, simply left click into the end of that first line. But instead of pressing enter, because that would send the message, instead of pressing enter, press and hold left shift on your keyboard and then press enter to skip to the next line. That is going to add that indent bullet or bullet point here. So you can add your second message, test message 2, for example. And there you go. Now do that again, press and hold shift, press enter and add the next bullet point. Now if you'd like to add another indent, guys, and add, for example, a sub bullet point, simply click into the given line or bullet point and press tab, and that is going to add a sub bullet point. There you go. Press enter and hold and shift, press and hold shift, sorry, and add a second sub bullet point, or press tab to add another sub bullet point like this. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you later on our channel.